Yeah.
Set. Go.
Go.
Alright. Ready. Set. Go.
I got you. I'm filming you.
You need to take a picture.
I did, but I filmed you. That's the best thing.
I want you to take a picture.
Picture, okay.
Ready. Set.
Go.
Go. What was that? Ready. Set. Ready.
Okay, we are looking for a treasure. Let's see if we can find the treasure today, guys.
What treasure chest?
Yeah, okay. Come on, guys, let's keep looking for.
Do you remember those ones like that push you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like if your baby it push you.
Yeah. Keep looking for subscribe button.
I know you have to help us.
I am coming to help you. Where is that subscribe button? Oh, it's bleeping.
It was in the middle.
It was in the middle. It must be there. Come on, let's dig it.
I told you to. Let's get out. Because I told you it was in the middle the whole time. There's a bug here. Get the bug out.
Come on, get that bug out.
You killed the bug.
You think the bug was making noise?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I think someone was.
What do you think?
I don't know what. Let me just check again.
You're checking again for in case you missed the play button. For in case you missed golden play button. Can you tell me which play button you're looking? You golden?
The best one.
The best one.
Diamond
The
one.
diamond one.
The red one.
The red one.
It's the most best.
The most best.
Yes,
Okay.
can't wait. So we have to find.
You have to find that. Yeah, we have to keep looking. Guys, help us to find the red play button.
Guys, we only have the first.
We only got the first one.
And we're so close to the golden.
And we're so close to the golden one, yeah. So,
We go to the golden one. Now we don't go there anymore.
okay. I see. Let's keep looking. Hopefully, soon we're gonna find that golden play button.
No, the red golden button.
Oh, you want the red golden button?
I saw where, Mom? Do you not even want that one?
Oh, of course I do. I will be so proud of you boys if you can find it.
Yeah, you might give us a robot. That's good if it has no name. Because that's actually good. Because we can ask them, can you make us our name on that? So
Yeah, we can actually,
the
yeah.
workers.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, where's our stuff?
Stay down there.
Where's our stuff
Yeah, they're down there. Yeah. Okay.
Nothing gonna get wet.
Guys, we're working so hard. Keep looking for that red
Where's YouTube button?
YouTube button, yes.
I think it's here.
I think it's here.
It's so
It is so slippery, yeah.
See, it's getting closer.
the water is getting closer. No, from here you can see Sid's house.
I mean, it's a
It is.
applicate that.
What?
There's him said.
Once again.
What happens? You let go of the
It is, yeah. Oh, something there, right? Maybe you should dig. Maybe that's a play button. Guys, please like and subscribe to Jude Miller TV to see the future content, to help him find that golden play button and help him to find the red button.